And then the country saw Yasir Akhtar excel in another genre of show business.
Night and morning with my tears, and I sunned it with smiles and with soft deceitful wiles.
He directed a 7-episode drama serial French Toast, depicting the lives of young men belonging to jet-set society of Pakistan.
आप जाइए, मुझे पैदल चलने की आदत है, मैं खुद ही चला जाऊंगा।
जब घर की गाड़ी मौजूद है तो स्टॉप पर जाने की जरूरत क्या है?
Jesus Christ, you mad? तुम्हें उसकी बातें कभी समझ नहीं आएगी।
मुझे समझने की कोशिश भी नहीं करती।
तुमने इसे बुलाया?
किसे?
The serial took many people by surprise that were accustomed to watching plays only about the feudal setup of society. After that, Yasir's second album hit the music stores, entitled The Eritzone Jogi. He even invited his ex-band members to take part in the video shoot of the title song. The soulful tunes of Jogi became immensely popular, and the album sold like hotcakes. The audio releasing company organized a show to honor its best top-selling album, where he received his award for the Eritzone Jogi.
और ये साउंड मास्टर गोल्ड डिस्क अवार्ड जा रहा है आपकी तालियों में यासिर अख्तर। दिलदार होते हैं झूठे चांदनी तू मेरे सुर की रागनी ओ चांदनी तू मेरे प्यार की रोशनी चमक रही है चाहतों की राहें तेरे लिए प्यासी है मेरी निगाहें।
One of the turning points in Yasir Akhtar's career came when he began directing telefilms for the small screen. This was a unique idea in a country where filmgoers did not seem to be interested in films, and television had taken over as the prime source of entertainment.
तुम जा रहे हो?
हाँ, तुम्हें इस खूबसूरत जगह पर छोड़कर।
Veteran writers like Hamid Kashmiri and Asad Muhammad Khan penned the scripts for Yasir's different telefilms.
मेरे आइडियल थे, हैं और रहेंगे।
The marked feature of his telefilms was their storylines. In Kashish, Yasir told the story of a young man and his stepfather, both falling in love with one girl. He invented an ingenious idea by incorporating songs into a long play format, thereby giving the audiences a delightful mix of cinema and television.
तुम्हारे सारे जो कारनामे हैं वो पुलिस को बताऊंगी, समझे तुम? छोड़ो मुझे। क्या हो गया मेरे बच्चे, मेरे बच्चा?
And in Shehzadi, he gave account of a woman who takes revenge on her husband. Rahein, he narrated the story of problems faced by working class girls.
चांदनी तू मेरे सुर की रागनी, ओ चांदनी तू मेरे प्यार की रोशनी, चमक रही है चाहतों की राहें, तेरे लिए प्यासी है मेरी निगाहें। मैंने तो शायद तुम्हारी कम कीमत लगाई है। तुम जो चाहो मेरा जीवन अपने प्यार के काबिल बना दो, तुम जो चाहो मेरी राह।
Similarly, Titli was the story of a flirtatious girl.
सुनो